Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper aeroplane. So let's start by folding the paper in half and make it in line, so that, because if it's not that in line, then it won't fly very well. Then open it up, then fold the two top corners to the center crease, and then make a crease along them. Then fold the tip down so that it's in line with the center crease. Then fold the tips to the center crease and do exactly the same with the other side. Now you've got a little tip here. You want to just pull it up so that it kind of locks them. Then you take the center crease again. Then you make a little hole for your hand. Then you fold it. Then you fold the hole, and then you fold the other wing so it's in line with this wing. And then all you've got to do is make some stabilizers. Maybe like a centimeter or so, just like this. And there you have it. A very good aeroplane that flies very far. That flies very well. Thank you for watching. Bye.